The unboxing experience reflects TOZO's pragmatic design philosophy. The packaging is clean, structured, and focused on utility rather than spectacle. Inside, the headphones are securely cradled, accompanied by a USB Type-C charging cable, a 3.5mm audio cable for wired use, and standard documentation. What stands out here is the completeness of the bundle. The inclusion of both wireless and wired listening options immediately positions the HT3 as a hybrid solution, equally comfortable in modern Bluetooth ecosystems and legacy audio setups. It's a small but important detail that reinforces long-term usability. From the first interaction, the TOZO HT3 communicates comfort and restraint. The design language is understated, with smooth contours and a matte finish that avoids unnecessary visual noise. The weight distribution is well balanced, and the clamping force is calibrated to remain secure without introducing fatigue. The ear cups rotate with a controlled mechanical smoothness, and the protein leather cushions provide a soft, adaptive seal around the ears. The tactile controls, particularly the dedicated ANC button, are well positioned and responsive, allowing quick transitions between modes without disrupting the listening experience. Structurally, the HT3 is built around durability and flexibility. The adjustable headband incorporates a reinforced sliding mechanism with clear positional feedback, while the foldable architecture makes it travel-ready without compromising structural integrity. The feature set is where the HT3 begins to differentiate itself in a meaningful way. The dual 40mm dynamic drivers, tuned with TOZO's Orange X acoustic profile, deliver a sound signature that prioritizes clarity and balance over exaggerated coloration. Bluetooth 6.0 ensures stable connectivity and low latency, while multi-mode support, including wired playback, adds an additional layer of flexibility. The inclusion of spatial audio processing further enhances immersion, particularly for video content and cinematic audio. The TOZO HT3 is a carefully balanced product that prioritizes real-world usability over spec sheet theatrics. It does not attempt to dominate a single category. Instead, it delivers a cohesive experience across battery life, comfort, sound quality, and feature integration. Its defining strength lies in endurance and consistency. The 90-hour battery life alone places it in a category of its own, while the combination of adaptive ANC, high-res audio tuning, and ergonomic design ensures that performance remains reliable across diverse scenarios. For users seeking a dependable, long-lasting, and versatile pair of over-ear headphones capable of transitioning seamlessly between work, travel, and entertainment, the TOZO HT3 represents a compelling and intelligently engineered solution.